Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Auto Fusion. Feast your eyes on the 2025 Ducati Panigale V4, the embodiment of Italian engineering and pure racing DNA. Ducati's flagship superbike has once again raised the stakes, combining unmatched performance, futuristic technology, and jaw-dropping design. First up, the looks. The Panigale V4 is unmistakable. With its aggressive stance and aerodynamically sculpted fairings, it's designed to slice through air like a knife. The new winglets have been integrated into the front fairing for even better downforce at high speeds, keeping you stable and planted. Every line, every curve serves a purpose. The all-new 2025 model boasts improved ergonomics, offering greater rider comfort without compromising its racetrack DNA. Whether you're pushing it to the limits on the track or cruising through city streets, the bike feels like an extension of you. At its heart is Ducati's legendary 1103cc Desmosedici Stradale engine, and this year, it's even more potent, now pumping out a staggering 225 horsepower and 124 newton-meters of torque. This V4 powerhouse is derived directly from MotoGP technology. With enhanced electronics, you get more control over that immense power, whether you're chasing lap records or your next adrenaline rush. The Panigale V4 rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 3 seconds, and when it comes to cornering, the revised Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension provides razor-sharp handling, adapting to every turn you make. With an updated lightweight aluminum monocoque frame, you get incredible agility at both high and low speeds. Technology? Ducati's packed it with everything you could dream of. The 2025 Panigale V4 comes with an improved 6-axis IMU, allowing for advanced traction control, slide control, wheelie control, and of course, cornering ABS EVO. And with Ducati's Quick Shift EVO 3, gear changes are lightning fast, both up and down the gearbox. You also have customizable riding modes, from street to sport to full-on race mode, so you can tailor the bike's performance to any riding situation. This is more than just a machine. The Panigale V4 is a rider's dream, a perfect blend of speed, precision, and unmatched style. Ducati engineers have fine-tuned every element for the ultimate riding experience, ensuring the bike is not only fast, but also incredibly intuitive to control. So there you have it, the Ducati Panigale V4, a masterpiece of engineering and a testament to Ducati's commitment to pushing boundaries. It's a superbike that not only dominates on the track, but also stands as a work of art. That's it for today's first look at the Ducati Panigale V4. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to Auto Fusion, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think about the new GS. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.